Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 28th, 2020. And this Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku, will be number 1, 2, 3, and 9. Yes. And before I start, I always count the numbers. Probably this one has 26 printed numbers, but let me check. We have 2, 4, plus 3, 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, plus 3 is 23, plus 3 is 26, as expected. So let's get started. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. And then Well. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But in this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. I marked them for you. It's a pair. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then Wow. How about the number? Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 should be here or there. Together with the 2. We have a 2 here. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. It's a pair together with the 7. 7 and a 2. Alright. So these 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here the 6 and the 8. So no 6 and the 8 in this box. The 6 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be for the 5. Well. In this row, we have the 3 and the 2. I need a 3 in this row. So this 3 cannot be in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Three missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. The 2 could be here or could be there. So in the middle row we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be an 8 and this should be a 2. The 2, the 1 is missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. And the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in this box. The 8 goes together as a pair with the 1, so I have eliminated the 2. 1 and 8, so this box should be a 2. 3 missing numbers now. The 3 is missing. The 9 is missing. And the 5 is missing. We see here the 9 and the 5, so no 9 and 5 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 3. These 2 should be the 9 and the 5. Alright. These 3 boxes should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 8 in one of these boxes. Oh wait, we have an 8 here, so no 8 in this box. So this should be the 1 and this should be the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for the number 5. Then let me see. 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. No. How about these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 9? No, 1. We have a 9 here. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in this box. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 5. 5 is missing, yes. How about these 2 numbers, the 9 and the 4? Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. 9 and 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column in between the second column. The only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers here. The 2, the 4, and the 7 in the first row. And I see here the 2 and the 7. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 1 digit left for the 4. So the 7 and the 2. Let me mark them. 7 and the 2. Yes. Alright. So now let me see. 1, 2, the 3 is missing in this column. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6. 6 and 5, 6 and 5. Then 3, these two. 9 and 5, 9 and 5, no. How about the number 3 in the third column? 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. One number left in the second column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 in this box. 2 should be there, and the 7 goes here. One number left in this row for the number 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And then 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and the 5. These 2 numbers are left for the 6 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 5. We have a 6 already, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for the 9 and the 5? We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 2. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 4. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. In this column, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon with the third Sudoku, extra Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.